I'm sure all of you must have heard about gut cleaning by now. Entire science, social media, and everyone is going against the dairy industry, against dairy products, and saying it's really infecting our gut and we need gut cleaning and so on and so forth. But do you know, it's not only that. Why do we need gut cleaning? Well, we need it because, like any other part of our external body, our internal body also needs cleaning. I personally have suffered from a lot of allergies in the past 2 years. I've suffered from severe hives. And when I got my blood test done, I came to know I'm allergic to dairy, to yeast, which means I couldn't have bread or any of that, to rice, to capsicum, peanuts, and so on and so forth. And this was not sitting well with me. Well, I was advised to clean my gut. And how? Give up dairy for 6 months, give up all the unwanted items, all the, crispy, nice snacks for 6 months. Well, it did happen for 2 years. I gave up sugar, everything like that. I'm, anyways, against sugar, but for 6 months continuously, no, that didn't sit well with me. And that's when I found out this nice yogic technique where you can actually do your gut cleaning within 1 day. Wait, not even within 1 day, within 1 hour. Yes, I had done this before and I completely forgot about it. And this is why I'm telling you, you can do it too. It's really advised to do it only once in 6 months. Do you want to know the technique? It's the Shank Prakshalan technique. Yes. Now, this is my first series. I'll be talking about more about how to do Shank Prakshalan, the benefits of Shank Prakshalan. And if you want to hold a class, we can actually meet over a class and discuss Shank Prakshalan. Now, today, after the Shank Prakshalan technique, which took barely an hour for me, I can eat my bread again. I can have my dairy the way I want. I also do consume sugar a bit in cakes, in my tea, and so on and so forth. I want to spread this knowledge to you because if I can do it, you can do it too. And trust me, if you're not going through any of these allergies, you can still do it. You must do it because, like any other part of the body, you need this cleaning as well. I'll see you in part 2 of Shank Prakshalan.